thanks for tuning in to Nizzysplayhouse. October's Boxy Charm unboxing / review for y'all. So here we go. I finally got my box today. Here it is, October 11th, and I got my October box. So let me tell you guys what's in it, and I'll do some reviews and swatches and all that good stuff for you guys. So first, looks like I have a Babyyyy. Babyyyy Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. How this works, but it says no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So it's got to be healthy for you, right? Through freshly washed and damp hair. Oh, you know, see, I was about to put this on my face. Oops, this is for your hair, you guys. I just washed my hair and I just put this wig on, so I'm not gonna try this until maybe later, but I will let you guys know about this one. I didn't even know they had hair products. Like, well, let me smell it first of all so I can. Ooh, it comes out like a cream and it smells very citrusy. So look, I'm rubbing it in like it's perfume, but okay, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good smell. Next up, I have a Hava Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream. Overall, yeah, it does make my hands feel extremely soft. I will say that. Like, damn. Kind of have like a lotiony smell. I don't know how to explain it. Kind of like Jergens-y, like lotion. Like, so I don't know. I mean, it's pretty good, I am gonna say, because it does leave my hands feeling soft, but it also has kind of a residue to it. Not greasy, just like I just put something on my hands. So I don't know. This is a win-win. It's cool. So next up in the Boxy Charm, we have this Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette, and boom, can you guys see it? It'll help if I take the plastic off. Yeah, I don't like them at those things at all. But this is so cute, and it comes with a mirror, which I absolutely adore. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with this this brown for the transition color, and I'm gonna put it on a fluffy brush. And that is a really pretty transition color. That color is called Sneak Peek. I think I'm gonna build that brown up because there in this palette, that is the only matte finish color in this palette. That's the only one. Everything else is shimmery. I'm gonna take that black and try and deepen the crease just a tad bit more, even though it is shimmery, but I kind of want that crease to be extra dramatic, so I'm gonna put a little bit on a tiny blending brush. Okay, so it's a little bit more shimmery than I intended. I should have just left it as is, but you know, it's all right. Actually, today I'm gonna use what I got in last month's Boxy Charm, this Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow base primer. It's in the color nude, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that young dig crease so that we can pack some color off in there. So okay, so I am really having to pack this color on. Like, you really have to layer it on. Not too sure if I like that color or not. Alright, lovely, so I have that pink packed in. Now I'm gonna go in and try this green color, just for a pop of color, to see what that do. So let's go ahead and try that. This one's called Mask Off. The pink shade is called Disguise, and so this kind of golden green color is called Mask Off. So let's try that one. Okay, so that is it for the eyeshadow I do like this look I created. So let's go ahead and peel this off. Beautiful. Tell y'all about this stuff. They have been raving about it on their Instagram story. This is the, I don't know if it's IT or IT, but IT Cosmetics. This is the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. So here it is right here. This is, I don't even know where to begin because I never do mascara. I just kind of sometimes just stick it on, but I'm just gonna show you guys. And I don't really have that big of lashes, so I'll show you guys what it do. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my foundation and contour and everything off cam, and then I'll jump back into the last product that they have, which is also one of my favorites. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, ladies and gents, so last but not least, we have this Bow and Arrow lipstick from Kat Von D. It is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Such a cute color, like such a cute color. So let's go ahead and try that on. No lip liner necessary. It does go on smooth and it dries a nice matte finish, or a semi-matte finish. So I do recommend that. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know what you guys think of the October's Boxy Charm box. This month's box was called Alter Ego. Definitely some dark kind of maroons, dark warm tones in here. Yeah, let me know if you guys got something different. Let me know if you have any questions. And as always, thanks for watching.
I wish I was a normal girl.